Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to give you a challenge, not a difficult challenge, not a challenge that requires money, not a challenge that requires special classes. It is a simple challenge, the 30-day English speaking challenge. If you follow this challenge seriously, your confidence and speaking ability can improve a lot. Now you may ask, what is this challenge, right? Let me explain. For the next 30 days, you will practice English every single day, not once a week, not whenever you feel motivated, every day. And the best part is that you only need 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, just 10 to 15 minutes. Most people spend hours scrolling through social media, but they say they don't have time to practice English. The truth is that improvement comes from priorities. If English is important for you, you can find 10 minutes. Now, let's talk about the challenge, day 1 to day 10. During the first 10 days, focus on speaking simple sentences. For example, my name is Arjagam. I live in Bihar. I am an Indian. I love my country. I hate corruption. I hate illegal things. I am a teacher. I love teaching. I love teaching English. English is my favorite subject. Nowadays, I am trying to improve my English. My favorite colors are white, black, blue, yellow, green, and red. I love walking and gardening. I love this nature a lot. And what about you? Simple sentences are powerful, so don't underestimate them. Day 11 to 20. Now start describing things around you. Describe your room, describe your mobile phone, describe your daily routine, etc. For example, right now I am in my house. This is my room. I record my video in this room. That is my study table. This is a whiteboard. I used to teach on this whiteboard. This is my favorite white shirt. This is my favorite smartwatch. This is a mic. I use this mic while recording my video. That is a tripod. Do you know? A tripod is used to hold a mobile while recording a video. That is my mobile. My mobile is very old, but still it is very useful for me. Every morning I wake up at 6 o'clock. After waking up, I wash my face, I clean my hands, and then I brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I drink a glass of water, and after that, I go for a walk. This practice helps you to think in English. Day 21 to 30. Now challenge yourself. Speak at least for 1 or 2 minutes without stopping. Choose any topic, maybe your favorite movie, maybe your best friend, maybe your future goals, maybe corruption, maybe population, maybe pollution. Choose any topic and try to speak at least for 1 or 2 minutes continuously without stopping, and don't care about mistakes because the goal is fluency, not perfection. Now let me tell you something important. Many people start challenge with excitement, but after a few days they quit. Why? Because motivation disappears, and this is normal. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. On some days you will feel excited. On other days you will feel lazy. Practice anyway. Even 5 minutes of practice is better than 0 minute. Remember one thing, discipline is more powerful than motivation. So try to make yourself disciplined. Do you know consistency wins? Not talent, not luck, not intelligence, consistency. If you practice a little every day, your English will improve. Maybe not overnight, maybe not in 1 week, but definitely over time. Now just imagine yourself after 30 days. She will feel more comfortable while speaking. She will know more words. She will fear less. She will hesitate less. And most importantly, she will have proof that she can stay consistent. And that confidence is priceless. And therefore, I want you to make a promise to yourself. Say, I will practice English every day for the next 30 days. Write it down. Take the challenge seriously and believe in yourself because your future English speaking version is waiting for you. Every day of practice brings you one step closer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you accept this challenge, let me know in the comments. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep moving forward. See you soon in the next video.